If your shower is not spraying as forcefully as it used to, it's probably because it's clogged up with hard water deposits. This is very common. Not all the holes will be clogged, but little by little they become clogged and you won't be getting much water out. So here's the fix. Rather than removing it and replacing it, try this first. Get a plastic bag, wrap it around the shower head, and then pour it in about a cup or so of white distilled vinegar. The idea is we're going to soak the shower head in the vinegar, which acts as an acid, a very mild acid, but a pretty effective acid. So you're going to hold it up there, and we're going to hold the bag in place with just a twist tie. You could probably duct tape it, but the twist tie works just as well. So we're going to twist that around there so it holds nice and tight. And again, it's important that the shower head, just like that, is soaking in the vinegar. And leave that at least a day, maybe even 2 full days. Take it down and run the water full blast. And you'll see it'll start coming out a lot cleaner. You may have to repeat this once or twice, maybe even 3 times, but it'll save you the cost of replacing the shower head.